Hey guys, this is Eric Keegan with Honda Powersports of Crofton. I wanted to show you a new build that we just got done doing for a client of ours. This is a Honda Pioneer 700. It's a little cold outside, but I am sitting inside a nice warm cab. So let me start this up and I'll go over some of the features of this custom Pioneer 700 we did. This one's really set up for plowing. So, you know, if you're a homeowner and got a long driveway and don't want to get out a snowblower and still have some yard maintenance that you need to do, or you need a bed, the Pioneer 700 is a great choice. So let me show you what we've done to this one, and really makes it conducive to residential and commercial users. So flip this around here so you can take a look. We've got on this particular side-by-side, let's fire it up. We installed the heater kit, so you get two vents right here to you. You can flip these around, you can angle them up towards the glass for defrost. You've got a windshield wiper, which is going to be nice, obviously for snow. Voltmeter here, so you can see where your voltage is. Got your handheld plow control here. And you've got left and right, so no reason to get out of the cab to move your plow. Put this right here with one hand, and the best you can here. So let's go take a look outside the machine and show you what we've got. So we do have the door enclosures and the rear fabric panel and the hard roof, as well as the rear view mirror, which is good for backing up. So let's go take a look out here. All right, so out here is the Boss plow system. Again, going over the Boss stuff is it's, you know, you can completely disconnect it from the machine. Makes it really easy to just back away. Still have the option for the winch plate there. Has this foot that comes down, you just back away from it, and similar to a truck plow. So nice setup there. Again, you can see the full cab enclosure. Still have the rear dump bed. This one's gonna get a spreader that'll mount. It's a drop spreader, so it'll drop salt just behind the path of the side-by-side, so it's not flinging it out into the grass. But really a nice build. Something like this to our customers with the installation costs and the Honda genuine accessories, you're going to be looking between $16,000 to $17,000 depending on how you have it spec'd. This one's closer to that $17,000 price point, but it is a really solid machine. The one benefit of these Honda Pioneers is they do not use belt drive transmissions. Everything is solid shaft or gear. So when you're working it hard, you don't have to worry about belts slipping or heating up or anything like that. So this is a really nice unit. Come down and check it out. If you want one for yourself, shoot me a comment there and I'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks.